That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees. Merry Christmas to you.
Oh. Hello. I found how to turn on the fly.
Oh yeah.
Let's fucking go.
I mean, I know.
Yo.
I know Frank Morty, but he's now that you ask, yeah, that's what she does.
Say hello. What? What did you just say? What? Okay.
She's like, hello to my little friend.
Oh, you were replying to me. I was asking Elliot to look to say something, and he just was staring at me.
Significance to your line.
Yeah. Hello. Look. Yeah. Remember when I used to be this obnoxious all the time?
That's right.
Just going up to random things and going,
Whoa, concept.
Indeed.
whoa!
Stupid damn garlic bread. Oh my god. They have like butter and garlic on one fucking side of the bread.
Yeah.
And they're expecting it to just like melt through into the other piece. But it doesn't work that way. You have to add more.
Smells good though.
Mm-hmm.
We got some spaghetti. Holy shit, the color balancing looks awful. It's just white.
It's like neon.
It's like white and red. Please tell me it actually flips the screen when I do this. Oh, okay, it does eventually. I have gotten one video file from this camera, and it glitched at the very end.
Did it?
Yeah, like there was glitchy boxes on the screen, and it went, and then the video just ended.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like it when my videos go.
It's always a good sign when that's how it works. Let's see if the. Hold on, wait. Let's.
Needs an extra.
Yo, what's up? I don't actually know where the mic is on this thing. Blah blah doo doo. I like how there's no like waveform or anything. It's the bare minimum, just a counter that says how long you've been recording. No way to tell if it's actually recording properly.
Seriously?
Yeah.
It doesn't have like a record light or anything?
Well, you can see it counting up, but you can't tell how loud the audio is or anything like that. So, like, you know. You can look at this really cool stock image of a microphone, though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Classic Vista style.
I like stock image.
Yeah.
Of microphone.
See, one thing that confuses me is that there's a thing on the screen that says I can pause with a certain button, but last time I did that, it opened the file system and fucked up everything.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Yo. We got a Christmas tree. We got the star. I'm not pointing at it, but there it is. The star. It makes funny sounds. It's probably too quiet for this shitty ass camera to hear. Let's go into this room. We're in the kitchen. This is what the kitchen looks like. That's what the kitchen looks like. And then we go outside. Woof woof. Woof woof. Woof. That's what we're hearing. Okay. And then, holy shit, it's the thing, guys. It's the thing. Hold on, let me zoom in. It's the thing, guys. It's the thing. It's the woof. Woof woof. Woof. Oh my god. That looks so stupid. Yeah. Anyways. So anyways, Wait, hold on. Keys. Look at keys. Do you like the keys? We got this thing. I don't know what it is. Reverse umbrella. I'm going to sit. Ugh, I'm sitting. Wait, I should flip this. Oh, I gotta do it the other way. Whoops. There we go. Wow, I am blue. Holy shit. Oh. I guess not anymore. Not anymore. It's gone. No more blue. Anyways. It's probably the auto color balancing that was doing that. Shut up! Anyways. Thank you guys for watching. I will now proceed to use... Sorry, it's very windy out. I didn't even really realize. Look at that tree. That tree, oh. That tree looks depressing. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, it's the funny camera. It's the funny camera. Ah! Ah! I don't actually know where the microphone is on this. You can record podcasts on this. There's 3 modes. There's video, there's photo, and there's sound. So if you really like the audio quality, of this camera, then you're in luck, because I'm going to be making so many podcasts with this computer. Bungee! 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 Bongo!